Okay, hello everyone. I'm Yusron Hanan dan Tinan, or you can just call me Yusron. So in this video, I would like to do digital forensics process to fulfill the final project for cybersecurity of my course that I've taken this semester. So first of all, I would like to tell you what I'm going to do. First is there is a scenario that I have a flash drive. This one flash drive, and I'm going to copy some of files like PDF, PowerPoint, MP4, and the rest of it. So I'm going to copy to the flash drive and then delete some of the files, and in the end I'm going to recover that deleted files. So it's like let me say let me assume that in this video I become like in the cybercrime division. So it's like a digital forensics, kind of like that. Okay, first is identification. As I already tell you that I use this kind of the flash disk. Maybe you cannot see it clearly. Yep, it's a SanDisk Razer Blade 8 GB. Why it's so long? Okay, this one SanDisk Razer Blade 8 GB, and the port is USB 2.0, and the capacity is 8 GB, as I mentioned before, and it's compatible with the operating system like Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Mac OS X. Yeah, version 10.5. I don't know. I didn't use Mac OS. Okay, and then for the dimension is uh 12.2. For the length is 12.2 millimeter, and for the width is 6.9, and for the height is 0.3 millimeter, and for the weight is 9 grams. And then that's for the identification. Okay, last one is I already show you the content, the original content. Like in this one, is the evidence. It's same like in the original files of USB drive. It's equal. So we are going to recover the deleted data right here back to the original files. Okay, let me try it first. We already have kind of this data, and we're going to delete maybe 3. We maybe this one and before, yeah. And then we're going to delete this one, the X, it's for the differentiation, and the third one is this one, zero to the progress one. It's basically yeah, we delete. And then we are going to go to the next step, is preservation. So in the next step, okay, like here, we are going to do some tutorial how to use it basically. So in preservation, first, the goal is we create image, this image that's identical with our USB drive, with the FD underscore evidence USB drive. So because we cannot just copy paste like doing this copy and paste, we cannot do that because it's only copy the selected files. We need to copy the whole binary into the binary of the USB drive. So that's why we need to create the image. Okay, how to do it? Okay, how to do it? So, okay, in this one, we click files right here, and we create this image. And then because our USB drive is physical, so just choose a physical drive and select our flash drive. In these terms, I already told you that my flash drive is my USB drive is SanDisk Quasar Plate USB drive with the capacity is 8 gigabyte. And this one is not my flash drive because it's my hard disk. Okay. As you can see right here, it's 500 gigabytes. So be careful in this step. So we choose the one, finish, and what's next? So next is we are going to choose the destination of our image. This one, we select the RAW because it's the common chosen. Most of people that want to recover that using FTK, so let me choose it. And then for the case number, we can just type it. It's because it's the first one, so case number is maybe 01. And for the evidence number, like we say, just like show on like 001 too. Don't really thinking about it. And for the unique description, like we just say it's FT evidence. Yeah, like we mix. And for the examiner, it's myself, which my name is Yusron Hanan. I use those two subname, and then for the notes, yeah, just like we did just describe the flash drive. As you can see right here, he's most of is black, so it's a black with white. Okay, I will then next, and image destination folder. We choose where we want to put the image file. I recommend you to put it yeah. Let me pick you put it in the hard disk. That's what I want to say. Cybersecurity, and this one is final project. I already create the folder is case 01. Okay, and then we put the image file name right here. Like we just say is the evidence with the case 01. And then you're going to click finish. And then what's next? Because we already create image destination right here, so we just click start. Okay. That's for the preservation because it's going to take like around 30 minutes. So we are going to skip the loading process and I'll pause this. Yeah, I just skip to the after it's done. Okay. Okay. Back again. Apparently it's not that too long because the size maybe. So we only like 5 minutes. Yeah, around 5 minutes. It's done and we close, and then there is a dialog that says is verify results. Good. Close. And then we're going to check the results of the image. This one, there is a .txt. This one, as you can see, there is a information that we put before, number, evidence, minor, and notes. And then as we can show here is a physical item, evidentiary item information. So that size and stuff, and this is the MD5. This is the computer has for the physical drive. In this case is our USB drive, and there is a hash computation is verified for our image. So can you right here? It's identical. This one and the second one too. So the computation is U75 and SHA1 is identical. And then As you can see right here too, there is like a few files. Don't worry about it because it will automated concatenate. So yeah, don't worry to open it. So what's next? There's the preservation step. We done with it, and we're going to the next is analysis step. Okay, next we're going to the analysis step. We're going to do mounting. So yep, we click file and then image mounting and then choose the directory. Just choose the first one. And then yep, choose the first one and then yeah, let it be and let me just pick the Y and then we click mount. Okay, it succeeds. And the original one, the original flash drive is in G, but the mounting is in what's before is in Y. Okay, in Y. You can see right here, it's Y. Okay, it's different. Okay, and then we're going to add the evidence in these tools. Okay, we already mounting the image in Y. So next we are going to add the evidence item, which is the physical drive right here, and we choose the second one of the 8 GB, and then finish. Okay, and then we have right here, and we already succeed to add the evidence right here, and it's in evidence 3. As you can see right here, there is a yeah. We just need to drop down until the root right here. There is root. And then it's a hidden file, I assume, because we cannot see it exactly in the original files like here. So, but if we compare this one, if you compare this one is with the original files, one is yep, we delete the welcoming party, and then we delete the cello to do, and then we delete the MC body sharing session. Like we compare with the original one, the image one right here, so actually same. Yep, it's a lab, the corona, assignment cover sheet, and meeting 5 job interview. How we know that the files is deleted? As you can see right here, there is like an X right here, so it means it's deleted. Okay, and then right now we are going to recover the files. How to do it? We just need to, yeah, right click and then put files where we to put it. Okay, we pick the one is exactly in this uses and so security and there's covered files. Okay, covered files. Okay, succeed. And then next to another one, we send it back in. Yeah, it's with our destination. It's for the structure. Cybersecurity, recovered files. Okay. And then MC by digitalization. Again to recovery to do OneDrive, courses, cybersecurity, yeah, recover files. Okay. And then we are going to compare. Is it identical or not? First, how we are going to compare it. Okay, how we compare it. Okay, let me open the security, recover files, and this one. Let me compare. Is it identical? That's the file that we already delete. Okay, like we open the PDF one, cello to do, and the cello to do. Okay. And this one. Is it identical? I think so. Yep, it's identical. And then we are next to the another one is MC body serialization and then this MC body serialization. It's same. Trust me. Why? We can just see actually in the size. 69 kilobyte. It's identical. This one is hello to do. This one, yep, it's same. And the video, it's actually same too. This one. But let me see. First one, and it's another one. Same. All of the things, it's same. The words, it's same. All of these things, same. Okay. Yep. Same. That's for the MC body differentiation. For the MC body differentiation, it's identical. And for the welcoming party, we open the first one, the recovered one. Yep, it's 1.38, as you can see right there. And the size is, yep, 26x99. And let me open the original one. The duration, it's also same, 1.38. And for the size, it's also same, 26x99. So yeah, it succeeds to recover the files. We just become like a digital forensics. Okay, since we succeed to recover the files, recover the deleted files, and it's we already prove it's identical, yes, and we already analyze. Apparently, we can get the deleted files of from the USB drive using these tools, Artist Data FTK Major. Yeah, but I think the conclusion for all of this is basically uh, it's possible to recover the data even it's already deleted. It's possible to find the digital evidence to use it in the court of law, so it will be useful in the in the sidang. So yeah, that's all for me. Thank you very much if you watch until the end, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.